coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda America or I coulda England. Man, yeah, man. So I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter where me do, me a born Jamaican. I coulda Canada or I coulda Thailand. Man, yeah. Original yard man. Advanced like internet broadband. All over the world, the girls them want one. Them see the hard man and act, so we so strong. We mix up the roads, now one of we got tan. Well militant man a Spanish Tonian. We no run.
Yeah. So that's it, people. You know, welcome again, viewers and subscribers, to the corner, yeah, Life of King. You know. Because it's just a joy for day again with the item, and people who are begging you, remember the golden rule: like and share the video. Okay? Don't get it twisted and don't get selfish with it. Like and share the video. Yeah, right there, so. So me take a sip out of my bourbon first, and you know, cheers to all y'all. Yeah. Long live the king. Any other king, a Burger King. So, as you can remember, the last time we talked about my auntie is me facing my grand-aunt, really, or a great aunt, as some people might call it. They carry me up a guys in up a Benbow way there, or walk me out to Frazzle, and me have to trick her for left our place. So, that's how we pick it up this week. But once again, people want to remember, say, in the course of this video, there may be things that said that, you know, might sound a way strange. Please be advised, we at Xpressionz are not advocating certain things. We're not glorifying certain things. However, we are highlighting certain things so that by me sharing my journey, if one youth, young man, young girl, whoever can make a right decision because of me sharing the many stupidness I did, then it would have all been worth it. So once again, welcome people, and understand, say, is healthy edutainment. Alright? Welcome back to the audio biography of Life of King. Long live the king. Any other king, a Burger King. So may I say, this woman, my great aunt, have me there, walk me out, hire me out. And the guys say she put on money for me for Christmas. Because you can remember last time she said around September time there's somebody go up our house. Yeah. So you know, she has saved up money for me for Christmas, and I said money for Christmas. I have to buy school clothes because she realized that the crimpling pants and the bush jacket, Nana work, and the white big heel boot. However, so I put myself into this thing and start to work. The amount of hog food me boy people, it's not funny. And just, you know, when it's around about Christmas time, people kill her. Just about Christmas, the woman kill one of the hog them in a Carly butcher and get slaughtered. And I say, yes! Meat, I got enough on the table now, because I kind of tired of little witness on top of the food. You understand? Back foot. And now the witness small after the woman kill the hog. The woman kill the hog and can more than 3/4 I put in a barrel after she done with her friend them. So it's like me realize that they'll go on and me take a little, you know, contingency move, if you will. Because right when they have foot them a creep and so. Me make sure me take away a damn foot. Me take away a foot. And when she send me go a bush today, if you go work, I carry the hog foot, go a bush with me. Catch water or river, make up my fire, chop up this hog foot, and put this hog foot for cook. But at the time, poor me don't know the first thing about cooking pork. People, I boil that hog foot, but I tell you, it give me runs for about a week. Yes, it give me runs for about a week, people, because of fresh pork. And me I know say, you know, them time there as a juvenile, you know, so I think say something like ackee or two dumpling or roll up. You know, I understand if it's spicy and them things there, so it run my belly, but never mind if we get even with them. For all the work with them up out and they are feeding when we wild. But looking at with people, you know, when it really start burn me, I can remember the Christmas day, Christmas evening after the food done, the Christmas dinner done, eat and all these things. And I sit down at the doorway at the little boardhouse in a Roundish Bar Villa there, I call rest a Benbow. And my auntie sit down behind me, you know, on a chair. But through me, them down on the steps, she kind of up over me. And when I look and see my two little cousins, her grandchildren, excuse me people, I go dressed to the nine with money in them pocket. I'm sure that day the devil just kick me at them and say, run, go through the shortcut and go on the road. Beat them, bust up them out and draw them through the mud and take away every dollar. But, you know, good sense did prevail at the time for some reason, I know. And then go out there and then carry away my money when we work for all of the farm and them have been both for. Gang party in a Christmas. Imagine people, Christmas. I'm going to tell you, I'm sit down at the doorway, barefoot. I can't forget when I scratch my ears, the left ears, yeah. Piece of mud drop from back of my ears because, you know, a mud place, dirt, red dirt. And me there all boats in the yard, I do all kind of thing. And you know, we always get like a Christmas rain in Jamaica. So me in the mud all day and nobody never even speak that the boy go wash him foot. Not me even say babe. That even say boy go wash your foot. So me did sit down with the mud behind my ears, people. And it's like my heart just full. And my heart, the high water will start run. I'm sit down in front of her, but me never make sure see me cry in the car. You know, I always hear my grandfather say, don't make them see you bleed, Patrick. So I remember that. And it's like the idea come to me now. And I just say to her, I say, boy, auntie, you have it hardy, man. I really should damn greedy self now. I see that, Patrick. I say, but imagine, my daddy there town there. I work. And all him do is drink out fee money and gall it out. But you know, me start go out on a Friday day time, man. And go collect some of this money, man. And bring to you so you can have money for spend so you can help me better. And people, let me tell you something. As me greater, me get almost sure when that woman hear the word money, she get moist. Because she gets so excited that even little more she start being me from this up to send me at home. Anyway, she was, you know, sedating enough to wait until the following Friday after Christmas. And I tell you, early in the morning, them time they will pack bus and taxi, the parallel, a country bus with the carrier on the top. You understand? And I remember I take a bus from Mona Corner. I don't remember if it name Western Star or North Star, some star. But I take the bus and come to Kingston, so I come see my father. If you get money to carry back to her. And people believe me, if she ain't dead, I know she's probably there at the door, then now I wait, I look out to see if me now come back. Because all along she's supposed to be there, I wait. Because don't get it twisted. I never look back. You understand? I come in the city, I get little money from my father, I get hit up back at St. Catherine Road, which part my grandfather did live. And you know, a whole lot of things around that some of my mother, younger sister them. Then it was an ideal situation because they were young, they were not rich. They had children of their own. But my auntie them take me in. Big up Auntie Minnie. You know, darn it, you don't know, you see me, and they are children of their own, and them take me and them decide say at the same house where me grew up, and them used to call me here when me little. So, you know, but knowing say the poverty and the stress and the struggles of, you know, being poor and the thing now maths. Sometimes in a frustration, me and the kid picking them fight and them, you know, clap me, I'm a kid. But me was a boy away from this, me realize that me don't want to take nothing from nobody, because the only person who everything should have beat me was my grandfather. And he's dead and gone, so me ain't not looking to nobody no more. You understand, sir? Me didn't develop a strategy. You see, as they make off of me cut, me gone. Whether me have on shoes, whether me have on pants, I don't care. Me take pure bush and I cut. Luckily for me, my family was big and was spread out over a range of communities in Edgar there. So my favorite place at the time was a place named Time and Patience. You know, near to you at all. There are all the people from Time and Patience, Treadwells, York Street, Cheese Street, big up on yourself, especially if you know a bartender fan. You see me? I'm going to go around a Time and Patience to my grandfather's next sister. Oh, she know, she was and still is a darling. I don't know where that lady never do for me, Miss Scott. That woman, when me go off here, she make sure when night come, because she now ask me if me I go home or when me I go home. And anything, if I fear picnic them in the yard, eat an orange, she come ask them if they give Patrick a peg. You understand? So much that woman did us. Full of love. Still is, because she's still alive right now. Big up Miss Scully. Anyway, you up a Time and Patience. Then big up Leroy. I love it. You see me? Rest boy, you don't know. You're large every time. You see me? Yeah. And that woman was, that guy was like a safe haven to me. Because when I run go down there, I can't turn all 3-4 days because she now send me back because she knows that our brother dead and him used to take care of me and me was like in the eyeball. So it's a joy for she have me around. You understand? So I used to go around there. I used to stand there and play with our children, them, Leroy and them. You understand? And that was one of my little escape from them early age there. You see me? You know? But people, you don't know, you know, time is of the essence. I have a whole heap for share with that, you know. So just go on, wait, and be around for beer, because you see, Wednesday, Life of King shall return with more things. Long live the King.
I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me did, me a born Jamaican. I coulda America or I coulda England. Man, yeah, man. So I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter where me did, me a born Jamaican. I coulda Canada or I coulda Thailand. Man, yeah. Original yard man. Advanced like internet broadband. All over the world, the girls them want one. Them see the hard man and ask, so we so strong. We mix up the roads, now one of we got tan. Well militant man a Spanish Tonian. We no run back a Paul and Malistonian.